My name is Amir Shain. I'm from LA. I'm a real estate broker here in Los Angeles area. Okay, so I found Alumission on Instagram, just scrolling down the timeline, and it looks pretty simple to install, so I figured I'd give it a try. Initially, I started with the side gate because I wanted to see how easy it was to put together, and it took me literally maybe like 2.5 hours to put the gate together and install it. So I figured, we need to go ahead and do the fence as well. And behind me we have our now, what is it now? 9 feet? 9 feet of wall. Michelle over at Alumission, she was really good. Even though we have a little step in the fence, they were able to kind of get the right amount of parts to make it work somehow, and it turned out really nice. Bought it, it came really quick. They dropped it off in the truck, had it all powder coated and ready to install, really. I can't name anything that went wrong with this installation. It turns out it's an easy product. I think everybody should get one. And yeah, can't wait to do another one. So Alumission for life. Woo!